much better. What else one got me? This one already had. It's a hoodie. Books that my mom got me. I chose them, but she got them for me, and I'm really thankful. Magical Gateways, Mystical Kabbalah, Egyptian Magic, Inner Words, Mythology, and Tarot by Alan Richardson. This one she probably won't like. Possessed, The True Story of an Exorcism. I thought this would be really interesting because these things really do happen, whether you believe it or not. The Magic, which is one of the books in the series of The Secret. I haven't read The Secret, but I saw a documentary and it was amazing. And the author is Rhonda Byrne. This one I got on Amazon. Psychic Witch, a Metaphysical Guide to Meditation, Magic, and Manifestation by Matt Aaron. I've been wanting this book for such a long time. I'm so happy I finally got it. Uncover the secrets to becoming a powerful psychic witch. Basically talks about how all of us are born psychic, but those powers just lie dormant until you decide to tap into them. This is James Redfield, The Celestine Vision. Living intuitively. The Monster of Florence, which is the only true crime book that I got. This has to be really good. Scott Cunningham's Encyclopedia of Magical Herbs. It tells you all about the magical herbs and their properties and their uses. Love Scott Cunningham. The Celestine Prophecy and the 10th Insight by James Redfield. Eckhart Tolle's A New Earth, Awakening to Your Life's Purpose. From the author of The Power of Now, which I have and I love. He's so awesome. And I got this one on Amazon, Becoming Supernatural by Dr. Joe Dispenza.
I have to battle right now when I was just so close to home.
It happens. A lot.